Today we are outside. We are going to be making some sweet chili jerk wings. They are perfect for any occasion, especially this Super Bowl or family night. These are absolutely delicious, packed with flavor. I'm going to jump right in and start seasoning our wings. First thing we're going to do is cut our wings. I am starting by cutting right in the middle. I started already, as you can see. I'm going to cut the tip of the wings. A lot of you guys always tell me not to throw these away, but it's just a preference of mine. I don't really like them. So I'm going to make sure I cut right through the cartilage, and you should have something like this. Before I start seasoning the wings, I am going to turn on my smoker. Yes, we got a smoker, and I'm so excited to be grilling and smoking all this summer. So I have applewood pellets in there. I am going to turn it on. As you can see, it's already making noise because we turned it on already. But to turn it on, I'm going to press the button. Well, there you go. We're going to be smoking our wings on 400 degrees. There you go. So now it's time to season the wings. Drizzle that oil on there. Give it a mix. I am going to add my seasoning. I have onion and garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper here, and some Creole seasoning that we are going to add to our wings. Just like that. Going to add the rest of the seasoning. I know it's a lot of seasoning on here, but when you smoking these, they are going to be losing some of that seasoning. And we're not going to rely solely on the seasoning. We had the jerk sweet chili sauce going on top, so pour all of that on there. More seasoning, the more flavor you'll have on the wings. And now they are ready to be smoking. Time to put the wings right in there. It is smoking hot. Woo! Let's place them right in there. It is extremely hot. We're going to cook these for about, I'll say 15 minutes, then we'll flip them over. Perfect. Right, now we wait. While the wings are smoking, we are about to make our sweet chili jerk sauce. So I have a skillet here on medium-high heat. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter in here. Allow that to melt a little bit. For the sauce, we're going to pour about 1/4 cup of that, of the sweet chili sauce. Also, oopsie, I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of that jerk seasoning. Give that a stir. It's going to be so delish. I can smell all of the spices already. Maybe a little bit of that sauce, that sweet chili sauce, because that thing is spicy. And the sauce is literally done. I'm gonna wait till my wings are done so we can toss that sauce with the wings. And let me tell you, that sauce combo, so good. Let's flip the wings over. Ooh, I like the color. Just gonna give them a nice flip. Smelling good, looking good. Going to flip them over. If I have to flip them again, I will, but for now, I'm going to flip. I feel like this side is kind of hot. I might have to move these over here. They looking so good right now and well seasoned. Y'all see this? This looks absolutely amazing. Let's place them to our bowl. We're going to pour that sauce on there. It looks so good, smells amazing. You can smell all the amazing spices from the jerk seasoning. I'm going to give that a toss. Mix. It looks so good right now. We are finally here. It's time to try these amazing wings. The aroma from the jerk seasoning is everything. So let's give them a try. And before I begin, please leave a comment below. Do you like flats or drumstick? Either way, they're still good, okay? But let's give it a try. Such a good combo. Such a good combo. Oh my goodness. This is so flavorful. These are so good. You have to try it. Now, you can make these in the air fryer, the oven, basically fry them if you like. If you don't have a smoker, you want the smoke flavor, you can add some liquid smoke to that. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a comment below if you're going to try these wings for Super Bowl. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye guys.